Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon, and believe it or not, today is actually our 500th episode of making these daily meditations. Thank you for joining me on this special day. We gotta take some deep breaths together. Speak some positive affirmations, releasing stress, worries, anxieties, feelings of not being enough. Getting into a comfortable seated position where you can be upright, aware of your posture, aware of your space. Aware of how you're sat. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears. Putting distractions to the side. Putting the past to the side. Putting the future to the side. Relaxing your belly. Closing the eyes. Bringing the attention inwards. Taking a deep breath in through your nose. And exhaling out the mouth. Breathing in new life, new energy. Exhale. Breathing in through the nose. Exhaling out the mouth. Bringing in some joy into the heart, opening your mind to new possibilities. You live to see another day. Won't always be that way. Letting go of what's been going wrong and trusting life, trusting the unfolding. Breathing in love. Exhaling fears. Inhaling loving energy. Feeling that love inside and exhaling it to the space. Breathing in love. Exhaling it to the whole world. Letting go of suffering. Coming back into love. Breathing in gratitude. exhaling it. Breathing in slower and softer. And exhaling. Relaxing your face. Bring in a smile. Relaxing your hands. Relaxing the belly. Listening, looking inwards, witnessing the thoughts, embracing thoughts, letting your mind be free. If you've been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in through the nose, holding the breath at the top. And exhale, releasing stress, feeling all negativity leave the mind, leave the body. And in its place, a very trusting energy starting to pour into the heart, pour into the mind. You are where you're supposed to be. For a few moments, I want you just to observe the movement of your breath, the movement of your mind. Becoming aware of your posture. Dropping the shoulders. Feeling a smile in your heart. Feeling a warm energy in the chest. Feeling your belly relax. Face relaxed. Hands relaxed. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhaling trust. Exhaling insecurities, feeling them leave the mind, leave the body. Breathing in strength and exhaling, releasing stress. Inhaling new life, new energy. Exhaling, letting go of past. Letting go of future, feeling rooted in this moment as you look inwards, listening, observing. Inhaling through the mouth. Exhaling. Breathing in. And breathing out. Inhaling. Holding at the top. And exhaling. Letting go. Feeling your heart open. Feeling your mind vast. Having love for your body, love for your mind. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. Exhale. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. Exhale, letting go of all negativity, anger, resentment, fear, feeling it leave the mind, leave the body as you inhale love for yourself, love for the people in your life. Taking a big breath in, holding the breath, filling your body with love. And exhale, releasing, letting go. The color for today is yellow. The number is 5. And the animal is an antelope. I thank you so much for joining me on this path. 500th episode. Just want to share with you guys that don't always have the most confidence in making these videos, and sometimes I doubt myself if they're helpful or not. Nevertheless, I'm going to keep showing up and recording this. Know that if you're out there listening to this, I so appreciate it. So appreciate your presence along this journey. You know, there's been many iterations thus far, and I vow to do my best to keep getting better at these meditations and providing value for you across time and space. Thank you for being with me today. Taking one last deep breath in for now. Exhale. Saying a big hug across time and space. I am healed and I feel the abundance of love, resources, creativity, and consciousness that is already here. You are already loved, already loving, already love itself. Just beneath the pain, beneath the anxiety, beneath the fears, we are already that which we seek. That's an affirmation for you today. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.